Just 1 week after Storm Ciara caused disruption across the country, the UK must now brace for Storm Dennis to wreak more havoc. There are severe weather warnings in place for most of the UK with up to a month's worth of rainfall in some areas. The military has been deployed to provide extra support in Calderdale, West Yorkshire, while there is set to be severe travel disruption. Read more. Storm Ciara latest, Mandi's after tree hits British Airways and EasyJet have both cancelled a number of flights today. Last weekend Storm Ciara flooded hundreds of homes. This weekend the Environment Agency has warned flooding may be even worse. The agency has called Storm Dennis the perfect storm with heavy rain, strong winds and melting snow. There are amber warnings for rain and yellow for wind across most the UK from this afternoon. It means the weather presents a possible danger to life, with power cuts and transport disruption likely. Travel disruption. EasyJet has already cancelled 234 flights to, from and within the UK. It will affect at least 40,000 passengers. The airline has cancelled just under 150 departures and arrivals at London Gatwick. An EasyJet spokesperson said it would offering customers the option to transfer their flight for free or a refund. "We are doing everything possible to minimize the impact of the disruption for our customers and to arrange alternative travel," they said. Meanwhile, British Airways has grounded 40 flights to and from Heathrow today. Network Rail is advising passengers to expect delays and cancellations and to allow more time for journeys if travelling is necessary. Many services between London and the northeast of England have already been cancelled by the Luna Train Company. Possible flooding. The worst hit areas could see Storm Dennis bring between 120 to 140 millimetres of rainfall and wind speeds of up to 80 miles per hour. The Met Office said. Predictions are not as severe as for Storm Ciara, which brought up to 184 millimeters of rain and gusts reaching 97 miles per hour. Read more. Storm Ciara, travel chaos and danger to life warning as gales batter the UK, but experts say Storm Dennis could cause more flooding damage, particularly in areas still recovering from last weekend. Cumbria, Lancashire and Yorkshire are the areas most at risk, according to Environment Agency's Executive Director of Flood and Coastal Risk Management, John Curtin. "This storm could be a step up from what we have seen before," he said. "We had a big storm last weekend, we now have saturated catchments, snow melt and rainfall, so it is a perfect storm." For more on this story, visit the news article link.